Yo, what's good YouTube? This is Wolf of Akagi here. We're back at another video here tonight, guys. It's Saturday night, December 11. We're out here with the SoCal Rotary group. Unfortunately, it's their very last meet. They're closing up shop. Members are dispersing, so it's kind of sad, but one final meet, one last hurrah. See some sick Mazdas. Yeah, it should be good. It's actually kind of packed, which is good because last time I came it was just a nice handful, but this is a nice little send-off here. I'm a little bit sad because I love this group. Very low-key people, cool people. I mean, it's a very unique car as well. I mean, it's a rotary engine. It's pretty much just the only car that really has that type of engine, the RX-7 Mazdas and the RX-3s and RX-2s, stuff like that, the RX series. But yeah, let's go and check it out, see what we got. I'm pretty excited, kind of sad, but it is a video to remember here. 2021, their very last meet, 10 years, one last hurrah, guys. Let's go ahead and go. Sorry about my shadow, guys. Let me get that out of the way.
Oh, this is fucking R3 now. Yeah.
Dark.
I had my fucking dog, and I chased, you know me.
Chase the slowest.
Exactly, I saw the finish. I can't stop with the fuck. Get all your horses. Fuck you up. Call them all here. I know you have your phone.
So here.
Oh my shit. Look how fucking things up right now.
There we go.
I had my fingers right there too. They're not really
And he's like, I don't know what you guys want me to do.
That's nice.
I didn't think I reached that far.
Oh, that's cool.
I'm over here like, if I go away from Rotaries, I want something new that you can smog or doesn't need to be smog. Well, hey, dude, we'll buy a brand new car 5 years. I don't want new though, new. But like,
and I was just like, hey man, I was like, sucks it wasn't me who bought it, but I'm glad like somebody else bought it. Somebody's gonna actually use it. Yeah, dude, that's so clean for like just about completely stock.
I still have all the stuff. That's insane. I'm gonna put it back for stuff at some point. Yeah.
I love the I love the fashion.
Do you have any fashion problems at all?
Sun's coming down. side as well.
Hey!
How are you? Good, good.
Where's the... Did you start your door curtains?
No, not yet. I kind of don't want to yet. And
I don't know if like, the guy had a shot. Yeah.
Oh, S13.
Dude, this shit's in Forza, bro.
What's in here? 90.
Oh, that's clean. Might be the cleanest I've seen. Whew.
I'm like 10 feet away.
I can't believe your dad just gave that to you. Like, that's so crazy. No, you didn't. What, you gave him $10? You gave him $1,000.
Camaro from a small person.
Oh, it's pretty sick MR2.
Yeah, I think I got it. And then I don't remember where I got it.
Ooh, oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. Oh, baby. Let's see. This Miata. Oh my gosh, it's an Evo. What?
I can, I guess.
think.
I mean, the fleet says Rotary. I'm not too worried.
Bro, with the whole fucking familia, dude. I'm like, bro, I know you.
Squeeze through.
And then they got stuck in the ground. Yeah, it's stuck. I don't know.
Yeah, that was the state issue.
Oh, yes, I remember that day too. Yeah.
But this is the thing. If you, and that's what I'm saying, you're not.
Excited for the season. I wanted to do like a video series about, or not individuals,
But now it's
video
good.
series, but a collective of like friends that are all from the car scene, but also still snowboard. So it's like we have something outside of cars, but like we have cars to get to big things about snowboarding. We all snowboarding.
Oh.
Cars, what's happening. We're all creators, we all do.
SoCal Rotary meet. I don't live in NorCal now. And I visit my sister or go to one of those NorCal meets. You have a caravan once a year. That's what 7 stock might have been. It's a caravan. Listen, thank you all for coming out tonight. Sister supported me. 8 years. Started out in Long Beach. The originator not here anymore, so the original guy Goy is here. And he started out in Long Beach, one little car meet on December 8th of 2011. They just had their first 10 years. 5 years ago, we decided to become a non-profit association. It requires a lot of rules, paperwork, legalities, all that beautiful stuff. We did it. We were having a great time with it. Then COVID hit. And COVID messed a lot of stuff up. How many people actually filled out an application, paid dues to the SoCal Rotary Association? For those few of you, thank you very much. Because your support, how many few of you that supported us, kept us going. Without that support, we we had to dissolve the association. And there wasn't enough participation in the association, which is part of the legalities of becoming a non-profit association. So with that, we had to dissolve the association. SoCal Rotary no longer exists at the end of this year. Taxes are done. SoCal all Rotary. Thank you guys for all your support. All of our sponsors. Thank you for you guys that participated in the meets. Thank you guys for always coming out. Had a great couple of barbecues. Had a great couple of meets. This year we had a great couple of meets. Yes, I posted the Halloween last minute because everybody's at JCCS. How many people went to JCCS?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't go. I was too tired. It was okay, yeah. I apologize for posting it late. I posted this one really early. Huge shout out to all of our sponsors throughout the year. Don't forget to always buy from our sponsors, guys. Black Halo Racing, Rat Fox, Official DNA Garage, Falcon Tires, Purely RXA, Las Vegas All Rotary. Maybe they'll have a RotorCon next year. We don't know what's going on with them. Mazda USA, Mother's College, R1 Concept, Andy, Rotary13B1.com. We got Andy. Thank you, Andy. A lot of the giveaway stuff throughout the year, that was Andy. It may have said it was coming from 7-Star, but it's coming from Andy too, man. It's mainly Andy. And Rotary Compression Tester. How many people own a compression tester? Don't be afraid.
Maybe.
I own 2 of them because when I moved, I misplaced a lot. I had to buy another one because she wanted a car and I said, shit, I gotta test your engine. 7-Stock Records and Rotary Engineering in Santa Barbara. Thank you guys for all the support for all those sponsors. And Andy, thank you very much. We're gonna call it Andy's RX Meet. Andy's RX Meet. Andy! Are you buddy?
I'm supporting you, dude.
I got suckered in this car in 2015 when I said, hey, I'll help you down at a barbecue. And they said, hey, Dean, where is Thanks, guys. Thanks, guys. Thank you guys for all your support. Thanks for all your following. Thanks for being always respectful of this property here, you know. Walmart letting us have this meet. Cerritos sheriffs, they didn't even appear tonight. Did anybody see the sheriffs? Didn't they? I love the fact they just passed by. Check it out. We're always respectful of the property. Always remember that. We want to keep meets like this going on in places like this in the future. Respect the place when you leave the place. That's the only way you get future meets. Locations kind of like this area.